In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to track campaign ROI in Vendasta. Stick around because I'll also share a powerful tip that could help you manage your campaigns even more effectively. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can access Vendasta completely free using the link in the description? Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value from the platform, so make sure you check that out before you go. Let's get into tracking your campaign ROI. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that you have tracking set up for all the key metrics. Vendasta makes it simple to connect your marketing campaigns and pull in data directly, whether it's from Google Ads, Facebook, or any other platform. Make sure that your campaigns are linked to the correct goals and that you're capturing data on clicks, impressions, and conversions. Next thing, once your data is coming in, navigate to the dashboard in Vendasta. This is where all your key performance indicators, or KPIs, are tracked in real time. You'll be able to see an overview of your entire campaign's performance, so you'll know instantly if your efforts are paying off. Keep an eye on your cost per click, return on ad spend, and conversion rates right here. The third thing to focus on is tracking your ROI at the campaign level. Vendasta allows you to set up custom reports where you can track the total cost of your campaign against the revenue generated. This is important because it lets you see exactly where your money is going and what's delivering the best results. You can use these insights to adjust your budget and focus on the campaigns that bring the highest returns. The fourth thing I recommend is to leverage the automation features in Vendasta. With automated reporting, you can set up recurring reports that send you updates on your ROI without you having to log in and check manually. This way, you can stay updated even while you're working on other tasks or campaigns. It's a great time saver and helps you stay on top of your numbers. Now, when you want a deeper look into the performance of individual channels, you can use Vendasta's integrations with Google Analytics and other tracking tools. This allows you to get more granular data on which campaigns and strategies are performing the best. By drilling into these details, you can tweak your campaigns for maximum impact. Lastly, it's all about using these insights to optimize and grow. Once you've tracked your ROI and identified areas of improvement, make the adjustments needed to drive better results. Whether that's shifting your ad spend, tweaking your targeting, or improving your messaging, Vendasta provides the insights you need to continuously optimize your strategy. So, in summary, tracking campaign ROI in Vendasta is all about connecting your campaigns, monitoring key performance indicators, setting up custom reports, automating your process, and using integrations to dig deeper into the data. By following these steps, you'll be able to fine-tune your campaigns for the best possible return on investment. Before you go, remember to check out the link in the description to get your exclusive extended free trial of Vendasta with all our bonuses. Thanks for watching, and happy campaign tracking!